my dear visitors and subscribers. Very nice to meet you here again at Crazy Engines channel. First of all, I would like to express my deep appreciation for so high acceptance of the previous video. It was simply great, really. Thank you. Regarding our test, if you remember, we achieved a whooping 11,000 RPM with a prop 14x6. But I should say that it probably was a limit for this prop with this engine, as we discussed it in comments for this video. And right now this test, so I will install more the bigger prop. This is Master Race Screw 15x8. This prop is seriously bigger, so it's much bigger for this engine, and we will try to reduce RPM speed just to avoid the limitation of the valve inertia, etc. So let's start. So engine becomes very overheated. So as I predict earlier, engine prepares a few tricks for us and a few questions. The first question is, during the test with the 15% nitro fuel, we can't achieve higher speeds than 7,100, 7,200 RPMs. Doesn't matter that it's nitro or fire fuel? It's the very, very interesting question. The second one, engine prepares also a few tricks, so it's simply at the end of the test it simply blows up its glow plug. Of course it's understandable because engine's head temperature is very high, but probably maybe could be another reasons, maybe some chemical reaction with the glow plug or something like that. It's still the question. And so again, as you can see, we couldn't bypass the limit of the 7000 RPM for Saito FA72 with this probe. And so after some discussions, I decided to stop the torture test of this engine. And for sure it will be interesting to look inside, to look into this interior, but it will be in the next video. And so thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you like this video, and see you very soon at Crazy Engine. Have a nice day, bye!